Welcome back. Today, we're talking about something most companies avoid admitting. You're running sprints, you're hosting all the ceremonies, but nothing is actually improving. Why? Because you're hiding behind Scrum and mistaking mechanics for real agility. If you want the truth, this video will show you exactly why Agile isn't working in your company and what to do instead. And if you want practical Agile trainings that actually make a difference, check the link in the description. You're running sprints, but still stuck in traffic. Your team has a daily stand-up, but nobody collaborates. You have a product owner, but they're basically a ticket secretary. Sound familiar? Let's talk about why so many organizations perform Scrum but never become Agile. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most companies use Scrum as a mask, a checklist, a set of meetings, a theater show. They run the ceremonies perfectly, but the behaviors stay the same. The mindset stays the same. The structure stays the same, so nothing changes. You still have the same bottlenecks, the same approvals, the same silos, the same lack of ownership. Scrum becomes a new vocabulary, not a new way of working. You can do Scrum by the book and still fail Agile entirely. If you truly want Agile to work, stop obsessing over ceremonies and start thinking in layers. Because real agility doesn't start with tools, it starts with transformation. Here are the 3 layers of real agility you must understand. Layer 1, the behavior. Agile is built on high trust, high ownership, high collaboration behavior. If your team only talks during stand-ups or hides problems until retro, that's not agility, that's survival. Layer 2, the mindset. This is the engine. The Agile mindset means we learn fast, we adapt fast. We value outcomes over output. We challenge old processes. Without this mindset, Scrum is just theater. Layer 3, the structure. You can't expect agility in a structure that kills agility. If work still requires 5 approvals, if teams depend on 4 other departments, if priorities change weekly based on politics, Scrum can't help you. Your structure decides your speed. And here's the scary part. Most companies start with structure and ignore behavior and mindset, which is the exact opposite of what works. So how do you stop hiding behind Scrum? Here's the one step that changes everything. Shift from ceremonies to capabilities. Instead of asking, are we doing daily Scrum right? Ask, are we collaborating better because of it? Instead of, are we finishing more stories? Ask, did we deliver more value this sprint? Instead of, did we follow the Scrum guide? Ask, did we learn faster? Stop policing the process. Start improving the behaviors the process was meant to unlock. Scrum doesn't make you agile. Your behaviors, your mindset, and your structure do. So the next time someone says, we're agile because we do Scrum, ask them, okay, but is anything actually improving? If you're ready for real agility, not theater, subscribe and check the link below for practical trainings to help your team evolve. See you in the next video.